modified cars in Doha here today. So let's go check it out.
सो रहा है नींद में क्यों तेरी आंखें
Going down, oh my bottle, girl going down. You got a bottle, girl going down. Oh my bottle, girl going down. You got a bottle, you got a bottle, you got a bottle, you got a bottle, you got a, you got a, you got a, you got a.
Okay guys, I'm with my friend Talha.
Hello.
And he owns this car. He owns this car, Dodge Charger SRT 2012, and he's pretty famous around Doha, right?
Am I?
I think so.
I never knew that.
So here you go, tall bros, Waleed. So Talha, everyone has a reason to be here in this car show. What's yours?
Just like many people, even if your car is not so special, you'd like to be part of the community. You'd like to be part of the sport cars community. You'll come get to know other people, see other people's cars.
So you told me that you have modified your car. What did you modify about it?
Not to a high extent, but all I have done is some interior trimmings, custom work, unique stuff, cold air intake, and mid-pipe exhaust.
Cool.
Tell us about this carbon fiber finish.
So this is hydro dipped. It's hydro dipped. Probably
Everything.
So the steering panel, the dashboard, and the gear console.
Okay.
And
so this is all hydro
done.
dipped.
Yes, hydro dipped carbon fiber.
Hydro dipped.
Yes.
Oh, I was saying
So
hydro
it's
dipped.
permanent, or you can
It
change
is permanent.
later?
It is permanent.
It is permanent.
Yes. It is permanent.
So what's that thing on the corner?
This one?
Yep.
It's a tuner.
So what does it do?
You can tune the engine. You can add more power if you change any things to the engine, whether it's thermostat or you want to make the numbers higher or lower. You can play with that.
You can do all that from sitting
Yes,
inside and.
but you need a computer device. You need a laptop or something.
Is that legal?
It's hard to answer that.
It is, and it's
So
not.
we are in illegal car. I don't think so, Waleed. We should take this video.
If this is the case, I can guarantee you at least 95% of the cars here would be legal.
Yalla. Oh man.
Looks like Tokyo Drift car, you know?
Whole idea from
Tokyo Drift.
Japan. In Japan, almost there, Honda.
guys, we finished up from the custom car show. We couldn't talk much about the cars there because of the noise and the loud exhaust systems and the huge sound systems in those Civics and all kinds of cars. So Jawad here is starving.
I'm starving and I need some energy. So let me tell you guys, we are invited at this restaurant in Al Nueja behind Al Imadi, right?
Hospital, yeah.
Al Imadi Hospital. And the name
It's
of that,
in Al Waqood, right?
it's in Al Waqood.
Yep.
And the name of that restaurant is My Sandwich. I hope
And they have live cooking there, so.
they have live cooking over there.
Oh, bro, I heard about it. They
Yeah?
have live cooking, yeah.
So okay. I hope they have prepared something nice for us. I mean, very nice for us.
Very nice,
So,
very nice.
so let's go there, man. I'm starving. I hope they have already prepared. I just want to go there.
So you
see-
don't want to eat fresh, bro?
I want to eat fresh, basically.
You don't want to eat fresh, then why do you want them to prepare it for you? Like,
Because I'm starving, man.
But then you won't get
we
some
are,
fresh food,
We are
man.
out. What is the time today? I mean, it's almost 10 o'clock, man. I didn't eat from the morning. So, and plus we walked too much.
and it was cold, man. It was
It
really
was
cold.
freaking cold. Guys, the weather is very nice today. It's amazing weather. And this weather, you saw the. Plus, you get to see the cars. Amazing.
It was very good combination, you know. It was cold, and they brought this karak. So
Sorry,
it was
type.
karak and cars, or maybe cars
Yeah,
and
they
karak.
they were sponsored by Karak and Cars.
I don't know. It was the name was Qatar Custom
Qatar
Car
Custom
Show.
Car Show.
But some of them they called it cars and karak. So I think it's a thing now. Cars and karak rhymes. But,
Oh.
yeah.
So let me tell you guys, if we didn't talk about too much of, just a second, let me park. Just a second.
Ooh la la. Beep, 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 beep.
Hello guys, welcome back. Mr. Waleed, how's everything?
All good, man.
Hey Mohammed,
Hello.
how are you?
How are you? Alhamdulillah, I'm okay. How's everything?
He's our host today,
Yeah.
Muhammad Al Afifi, the chef.
The chef. Yeah, he's cooking for us, yeah?
Yes, he's gonna cook for us today.
I can cook for you today special food today. You can have some beef burger.
Okay.
Okay? If you can try it, our beef burger is nice. You have an Angus beef. You can try that one.
And what else do you have apart
we-
from the beef burger?
We have a beef burger. We have a mini sandwich. Some like very famous here. Some like sujuk sandwich. Some like liver sandwich. The one we will cook today. Okay? We will talk about it. We have everything is fresh. Okay?
Everything is
Same like what you see. Everything.
Yeah,
is
Waleed
fresh
just
here in
told me
sauce.
on the way that everything is fresh
Yeah,
over
and
here.
It's live cooking.
Live
here,
cooking.
Right?
Live cooking here. It's very hard for us to cook something in front of you to be in safe side. Okay? This one is very hard. We have it today. We'll cook for you some like what I'm saying is beef burger together with liver sandwich together with sushi. We have some salad if you like to prepare it now. We can.
So,
Okay.
so what are we eating? I
You
mean,
will-
what is the best thing you can
The
give
best
it?
thing I can give you, I can get you beef burger. Okay, this is Angus beef.
Beef burger.
This is from fresh mushroom. Will be sauteed and like that together with some fried egg, together with cheddar cheese. And you put
Okay.
some sauce in there. The smokehouse sauce. together
Okay,
with
man,
the
I'm
fish.
starving. Just start.
I think let's
sure.
get to work.
Yeah,
Yeah,
let's
sure.
get to work.
All right, let's do this.
energy level is 0.0.
0.0.0.
0.0.0.
Finally.
Finally.
Thank you.
Chicken fajita, beef burger.
Hello, sir. How's your food, sir?
Let me try it, man.
What do you have, sir?
Chicken fajita.
Not it right? I think it's spicy good. How's it? How's your food, sir?
Man, good man.
What's butter there?
Okay, I will try. This is
This is it. It's beef burger. The one I'm saying.
beef burger. Okay. It's actually very nice. The beef and the sauce, it's everything perfect.
Food
man.
is good, bro. You guys should try it. You guys should definitely try this place.
So Mohammed, thanks for inviting us. Well, how do you like it? I loved it. It's
Honestly, man, I love it.
I hope you will be back again.
Of course, I just live behind, so I will come here every day.
Okay.
So
Thanks so much.
thank you, bro. Thanks for inviting us.
Thanks much.
Alright.
Thank you, man. Thank you so
Okay, goodbye, Habibi, kisses and everything.
See you soon, man.
I didn't see you guys kissing together.
much. Look who's here.
Oh, look who's there.
Hi, how are you? I'm fine, I'm good.
So why are you here, man?
My sandwich. I'm a chicken traveler. Yeah, man.
Regular customer?
Yeah.
He's still all over food. I think he's here now. We should take a leave.
Okay, man. Thanks, man.
Enjoy your food, man.
So, guys, that will be the wrap up for today. We're gonna go home and sleep because it's almost like 11:30. So I'm done for my day. I hope he's also done for the day. I think he's so full that he's unable to talk right now.
Yeah, man.
So let's go home. Sir, would you like to say something?
Yeah, the best thing I can do right now is go and sleep over this food, man.
That's it?
That's all.
Okay, guys, that's all. See you in the next video. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.